Okay guys, looks like the hub motor has arrived. People were asking where I was getting it from. This is from Walmart of all places. This is actually a complete kit. The only thing it's missing is the battery. It's a 48 volt 500 watt. I'm gonna do this video will be basically just we're gonna do an unboxing, pull everything out, just so I can get the packaging out of the house, because due to COVID, I don't want this thing floating around down here. Anyway, yeah, so it's 48 volts, 500 watt for $265, and that's shipped, which is actually a pretty good deal. You get, like I said, everything, which we're going to show you in a minute. It actually showed up. I thought for sure it would have been damaged, because every time I've ordered something from Walmart, it showed up smashed, so this will be a first. Probably be cheaper in the US. $260 is pretty cheap for a complete kit. Wow, look at that. And it showed on the actually I'm glad it's a silver rim, because it showed on the website it was black and I wasn't too happy about that. Wow, even the foam isn't crushed. That's kind of cool. Let's see what's in that box. Now this is supposed to be a rear with a disc, which it better have a disc on it. I can tell you that right now. I will be pissed because it showed a rear disc. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Wow, that's a half decent throttle. Sweet. Latching switch. It's got fast, medium. Oh, that's for the different speeds. Take a look at this. I don't think there's much on the way on the controller. Yeah, there's not much information on the controller. It's unlabeled. What else we got here? Got the battery box, or charge plug, with a built-in blade fuse, so I can use that. These I never use, but sometimes I use them for when I'm working on someone's bike. And an extra plug for power. Sweet. You get a battery bag. Yippee. What else we got here? An extra. Oh, of course they ended up sending me the wiring wrap that I just put on the bike. It comes with a sensor for the crank, and comes with that disc with the magnets and an extra grip and instructions. Why do I get the feeling this isn't a rear? Where's my disc? Better be on the other side. Yeah, I'm ready to. Oh my god, are you telling me they sent me the wrong one? Oh, thank god, it's disc brake compatible. It doesn't come with the disc, but the that's all I care about. I got discs, but it showed in the on the ad that it had a disc on it, so you would think it would come with a disc, but it doesn't. At least it came with a cluster. And it pretty much looks like the one I had. Like I said though, the only difference is mine was 36. This one is, oh my god, 36 500 watt. It's exactly the same thing I had. Okay, I'm not complaining. It's rear. It'll work. Yeah, sweet. They look like when they're new. The wiring harness on this thing. Well, some things don't change. Look how thin that wiring is. That is, even for 48 volts, 500 watt, that is thin. Those will generate a lot of heat. And this plug here has got to go. I never use these. Wow, at least they put some kind of rubbering on the inside this time. Usually they don't do anything like that. Well, there you go. I mean, for $260, it's a pretty good deal. Lose a tire, a nice spare. Yeah, sweet. It would have been better if it came with a disc, but hey, who's complaining? Later, guys.